Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. In this video, we're going to look at a disturbing fake news about former President Goodluck Jonathan over a trending story in which Jonathan purportedly gave reasons why Niger Delta can't join the proposed Biafra. This story was trending and my attention was drawn to it. When I saw the story, I subjected it to test, and the story failed all the tests that is necessary for a true journalistic story. And the story was purportedly published originally by the Business Day. When I saw that story, I subjected it to the test of journalism. That's what we call in journalism the 5 W's and H, which we use to assess a story, whether it meets all the necessary standard. The 5 W's and H poses question like, who said this? What was the event? When did the event take place? Where was it? And why did it take place? And how did it occur? Now, when you look at all this and this trending story that Jonathan gives reason why Niger Delta can't join proposed Biafra, you know that this story was planted by mischief makers. And I tried to find out. I searched, then good enough, I came to the rebuttal by Jonathan himself. But before we go into that, the story claimed that President Goodluck Jonathan in Texas, United States, without explaining where the event was in United States, what was the event, what was the occasion, said give reason why Niger Delta will not be part of Biafra. And he then talked about how Igbos are running away from domination by the North and Southwest. Now they want to dominate the Niger Delta because they have the population. Okay? And talked about so many things that when you read it, you will ask yourself that Jonathan could have said some of those things. Talking about that where will be the capital of the Biafra, how will minorities survive under Biafra, and all kinds of things. And even concluding that leaving Nigeria to join Biafra is like moving from frying pan to fire. Okay, it all talked about how Igbo is trying to dominate. Igbo is running away from being dominated. Now they want to dominate. All manner of things was written in that thing, and it was purely filled with anti-Igbo rhetorics. To be frank, it was filled with anti-Igbo rhetorics, and it doesn't really mean well for the reputation of Dr. Goodluck Jonathan, former President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. So it was when I was now trying to find out whether Jonathan has reacted to it that I now stumbled on his rebuttal of this trending story. And that's what we're going to talk about, his rebuttal of the story, because it's far more important than than that's the story that he gave reasons why Niger Delta cannot join. Then we now look at who could have been behind this. Who could have been behind this? What would be their purpose? We're going to look into that. Welcome, and if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. Now, the former president, in a statement by his that was issued on his behalf by his spokesperson, Ikechukwu Eze, said that the former president never spoke anywhere on or about Niger Delta and Biafra. He noted that the same story had made the rounds in 2017 and received an appropriate refutation from the former president. The statement wondered how and when he came up again. Now, the statement reads in part, "Our attention has been drawn to a fake story with the title, 'Why Niger Delta Don't Want to Be Part of Biafra,' currently circulating online and purported to have been taken from a speech allegedly presented by former President Dr. Goodluck Jonathan at an unnamed event in Texas, United States. The story, which is being recycled in some online platform, claimed that the former president allegedly spoke on the relationship between the people of Niger Delta and Southeast states. While addressing the broader issue, that the former president spoke on the relationship between the people of Niger Delta and Southeast states, while addressing the broader issue of agitation for Biafra. We thought we had finally dealt with the issue of this falsehood with our timely and well-publicized disclaimer soon after the supposed speech first surfaced online in 2017. However, it beggars belief that the same genuine and disastrous effort as speech writing, hatched by some yet to be identified shady character, is again being served to social media public as a fresh dish. We want to state, as we did in 2017, that there was no such event involving the former president, and that Dr. Goodluck Jonathan never presented such a sloppy and hate-filled speech. End of quote. Now, the former president captured it effectively because that speech was filled with Igbo hate, and a sound mind like Jonathan could not have written something like that. So he has refuted it. There are a lot of people celebrating that purported speech of Jonathan on social media. They were happy. There's a lot of Igbophobia in the air. So they're celebrating it. But this is for them to know that Jonathan never wrote that. Jonathan never gave such a speech. That speech was a lie from the pit of hell. It was not from Jonathan. Now, who could have been behind it? We may never know, because the former president said that this same speech was circulated in 2017. It was circulated in 2017. And if you look at that, 2017, that was 2 years to the 2019 election. It could have been done purposely for politics, thinking that Jonathan may want to contest in 2019 within that period. So they want to use it to create problems for Jonathan. And look at it, it surfaced again in 2025. 2 years to 2027 presidential election. Yeah, in an election in which some people are plotting to package Jonathan to contest in 2027. Because I know for a fact there are some northern people who are believing that they will prefer to support Goodluck Jonathan because they will know that constitutionally he cannot do more than 4 years. That they are having their doubt that if you give Peter Obi 4 years, he may not do 4 years, he may try to do his constitutionally allowed 8 years. Okay, so they feel that after Tinubu's 4 years, then let the power still remain in the south, but let us give it to somebody who constitutionally he cannot pass 4 years. So some people are packaging former President Goodluck Jonathan for that. Of course, I keep saying it, that Goodluck Jonathan should not buy into it. And he don't have the temperament to play the kind of dirty politics that these APC people are ready to play. It's better he leave it and let Peter B fight it out with Aswaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu in 2027. That has been my position on this matter. But I know that from the Aswaju camp and all that, they're not going to take it lightly. You know that even ahead of the 2023 election, there was rumor that Buhari and co, they wanted to bring Jonathan to the APC. In fact, some people, including the Metiala also, purchased 100 million naira form for Jonathan to contest that election. Okay? At the end of the day, because of the way the camp of Tinubu attacked Jonathan ferociously, Jonathan quietly didn't go further with that agenda. He respected himself. I think he should just respect himself, because what they are doing is to push this kind of issue to bring him at loggerhead with the Igbo people, so that it creates problems for him. That's my interpretation of this. The people that planted it in 2017 could still be the same people that are flying the same kite in 2025, 2 years to the presidential election, just like they did in 2017. That's my interpretation of this. So what do you think about the fabrication of speech attributed to Goodluck Jonathan when he never said anything like what he was attributed to about Biafra, about Igbo, about relationship with Niger Delta and all that? What is your position on this? Let's hear from you at the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, Google will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you, amigos.